Chris here at MWC19 in Barcelona, hands-on with the Samsung S10. I wanted to check this one out. So this has the Infinity O display, and what we've got is just that single cutout in the AMOLED screen. So dynamic AMOLED panels right up to 1000 nits of brightness, which is very impressive. Now if we have a look at the settings, it is running Android 9 of course, and the One UI. Now the camera cutout at the top, not too bad. Of course I first saw this with the Samsung A8s. And performance wise, it seems good. Can't really tell with these quick hands-on. Powered by either the Snapdragon 855 or the Exynos 9820. The bezels on the side are very slim. The top bezel slim as well. The earpiece too that's there, and the bottom. And of course we've got the camera set up on the rear. So we've got an ultra-wide 12 megapixel main camera, so it has optical image stabilization with that dual pixel autofocus, which I'm happy they kept. They did not get rid of that. It's very slippery in hand, a fingerprint magnet as you can see, so you probably want to use a case with this. And then a quick look at the camera, so you can swap between the lenses when shooting videos, so that is our standard. You can go there into the 2x zoom. And then our ultra wide, of course, all on the go. The quality looks good but I need to look at this on a PC to really judge that. So take a look at the settings of the camera. So the rear video, we can get right up to 4K 60 or 4K 30 frames per second with the electronic image stabilization. And then this is new as well, so we've got up to 4K now with the front-facing camera. Now that front-facing camera has dual pixel autofocus, which is a really nice addition. Buttons on the side are made out of metal. The finish is excellent, and a very quick size comparison next to the S10 Plus here. I actually prefer the S10 Plus for its larger battery, was why the reason I would probably go for that one. And here it is next to the S10 Ii, as you can see, the smaller one, but the bezels are a little bit larger, and that does have the Snapdragon 855 as well. So they're powerful phones. This one's much cheaper, so this can be selling for around 700 euros, I think it is. And then the S10 is selling for 900, S10 Plus for about 1000 euros. So they are expensive, premium phones, and overall do look very good. And I may possibly be reviewing this one in the channel. So thank you so much for watching this very quick hands-on with the Samsung Galaxy S10 and my first impressions. Please do subscribe to the channel for more MWC coverage. Bye for now.